Okay, let's do some procedural spiral staircase. First deleting all out of our standard scene and adding in a circle with 32 elements and scale it up. In edit mode, adding a face to it and adding a inset by 2 meters or so. Then in edit mode, going to face selection, selecting a face, inverting the selection and deleting all other faces. So we have one stair step. What we can rotate about 360 degrees divided by 64 because we have 32 elements here. So it's in the Y direction directly, and then we extrude it into the Z direction by, let's say, 0.3 meters. And then we are adding some bevel modifier to it to make it look more natural. So yeah, like this, 0.1 meters and 6 faces, and that's it. That is our step. So let's add in now some. It doesn't matter. I use a plane for a proxy, as a proxy for our geometry, what we are building now in the geometry nodes editor. So we are adding a new geometry and adding in a spiral because we have a spiral. We want to build a spiral staircase. Also 32 resolution. And yeah, let's say 1 meter, 1 meter, it doesn't matter in the beginning here, just to construct this the staircase. And then we want to distribute our stair steps along this curve. So we have instance on points, and the instance we want to realize here is a object, and this object we have already created. So we are putting the geometry of our object into the instance, and we are selecting as our object the, it's still named circle. It's in fact, it's the step we have created before. So we see it is done, but not in the right way because we have to adjust the direction of our steps in the right way. So we have to add in at first a position node, and then we need a separate XYZ node and a math node, and maybe we need another math, so duplicate this, and then we need to combine XYZ again in the end because we have separated before, and that is the construction that will lead us to our staircase. So we are putting this in and using arctan2 for the first math node and putting X and Y into the inputs. That is doing the magic for the right direction for our steps. And now we see when we put this into rotation, that is almost correct, but we have to add here pi divided by 2 for the right direction of the steps. That is looking good already. And if we see it in perspective, it's already some kind of spiral staircase. We are adjusting the height. By adjusting the height of the spiral we have defined. and we have to put these steps on the Y direction a little bit more inside, because the original step is located on the Y-axis, as you can see here. So we are putting that in by, let's say, 1 meter. And so, yeah, it's looking good. And we see a little gap here. So let's adjust the height, put it a little bit down. And so we have a really nice procedural spiral staircase done with geometry nodes, which we can use further in geometry nodes for constructing a further scene. So that's it, constructing a procedural spiral staircase. If you liked the video, then please like it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Thanks and bye bye.